say about the situation going on in the country? I mean, the election atmosphere. Whom would you like to support looking at the past 10 years of Congress rule and everything?
Past 10 of Congress rule, there was this school gay around those Commonwealth Games also, so definitely not Congress. The thing about AAP is it's just came now actually, so there is no experience and all that. You can see what happened in Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal tried to change a lot of things, but they weren't good on the long run. So that's why this government was, he left the government, he gave his resignation and all that. So definitely not AAP, and Modi is the only logical option left. And actually, you see the situation in the Gujarat. Actually, I read 2-3 articles about him. So the development and all that, the way he exploited all the resources in Gujarat, keeping the natural beauty and even exploiting the barren land, giving it for the factories and all that, is quite good. So Modi is the best option for the country right now.
Okay, so what do you think? I mean, who should be the PM and who should come into power and why?
The cause of elections and things happening, I was rather say I've lost faith in the whole system. Like the successive governments have only disappointed us. I don't really think that my vote really counts. So they say like each vote counts, but then like with the leaders with the inefficient leaders at the helm of affairs, it just have disappointed us, and I don't think so I'll go out and vote this time because everything is just the same, be it Congress or the BJP, everything is the same.
So this time they've introduced a new option which is none of the above.
Yeah.
So how about that? Like, you can cast your vote, but you can also reject all the candidates in the list. So why not that?
With the course of affairs, like I must rather say I've lost faith in the whole of the democratic system as such. So I don't think so I'll just probably go out and vote. Rather I take a break this one day and then go out with my friends. Anyway, it's not going to change anytime soon. Whatever progress we have achieved all these years is just the progress with time. Just the progress with time we have achieved. It's not just a deliberate attempt of each and every government that we are here. We are here because of time, and then we will be somewhere just because of time. It's not just because of attempts which are taken by certain leaders or the governments as such. So why should I take pains to go and then cast a vote and just stay back and relax?
You're from Gujarat. Okay, so you can give us a better idea about what is the ground situation in Gujarat? Is it really development? What is going on? We have heard everything on the media. I mean, the media is shouting, yelling about the development in Gujarat. So is it really something in Gujarat, or it is just a or something else? No,
this time no, like Modi is CM from last 10 years, so like obviously people are voting from last 10 years, so obviously like he has did something good for our country, this one state. So the development, the progress, the mind which Modi has, like I've never seen like in some other, and the Congress. I don't think now people will vote Congress after seeing all the corruption which has happened all over the country. I don't think so.
Modi. Why not Aam Aadmi Party?
Aam Aadmi Party, like I don't know the proper reasons, but in media now, like every another day there are some problems coming with Aam Aadmi Party, that some people slapped this one, Arvind Kejriwal, and some of the other problems are coming up. They are doing a good work, like they are ruling the Delhi, so like they always, they did something good. That's why only people voted them in the Delhi. Now they are ruling, so but.
So it's like,
from the 10 years Modi is ruling, so he has some experience. He came right now, like 2 months back, 4 months back.
Okay. Yeah. So how about like, your decisions are influenced by media, or how was it like? Because you said
no, not media. Like I'm from Gujarat, so I know what he did for us. So like everything happened in front of my eyes. I grown up there. Till 18, I was there only. This is my first year here, so I know what all is.
This is your first year?
Yeah, first year.
Okay, all the best to you. And even your nameplate says Yash Modi, so it's good to know. Thank you.
I would personally support, again, none other than Namo Narendra Modi. Well, because his stats and his past history of 15 years in Gujarat has said so. Personally, why I select him as a PM candidate, because I select a leader by the way he speaks or the way he appeals to the crowd. And I think I have not seen less than 10 to 15 interviews and his speeches. And I think even if you collaborate all the 10 to 15 speeches, not even 5 minutes of his speech was boring, or you yawn in those 5 minutes. So he keeps you on your toes for his whole amount of speech, for the whole duration of his speech. And his speech is not like any crap given by other politicians, like we will give you water, we'll give you this. He has already experimented those facts and figures in the state level, or he has tried in prototypes of those facts. And
which he would be implementing if he becomes the Prime Minister.
So I have seen the development in Gujarat, so obviously I will vote for Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi. How about you, sir?
Narendra Modi, because the things he has done in Gujarat are terrific, and for that thing I will vote for Narendra Modi.
No one apart from Narendra Modi or BJP.
We are strong Narendra Modi supporters.
Abki baar Modi sarkar.
Yeah, that's it, because among the leaders we have for the Prime Minister candidate, he is the best, and we want a strong government in the center. So it's the best bet we can have right now. So
How
it's
about the female vote?
I'd
It
go
is
to
going for
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi again. So what are your expectations as females in this country? What do you expect from your next PM?
Yeah, first of all is that we want development, we want security for the women. We want to walk, though it's an independent India, women are still not independent. We can see that every day in the news. And it's just that we want to walk freely at night. And I have a strong feeling that he's going to let this happen.
So security is the most important thing what
Yeah.
matters. Thank you very much guys. Thank you for your time.